Hello friends, here is Ian. Today we will introduce about the Audi A4 B9.5, the Allroad car model instead of the parts like this. The customers want to change a flat steering wheel with the right screw for the steering wheels. Use original car, the airbag and the steering wheel button to install these parts, and the ambient light you can install to your car the complete to install the ambient light. And another part about the complete light, the LCD instrument, you also can install it for your car Audi A4 or A5, B9, B9.5 to install the complete the LCD instrument. Let's show you the original car parts. Original car part, the original car steering wheel, and the light, and the complete instrument. Will install it later. Show you. Okay, show you later. Okay, now our workers has installed the flat steering wheels. This is the original car steering wheels, and we installed the new style the flat steering wheels. You can see, show you the detail and other parts. Okay, done. If you need it, please contact us. It's time to load your car.